Hey guys, so today we're doing something a little bit different, and like I said a few videos back in my Nutella Popsicles video, I do want to do some videos that are still food related but different and hopefully like even more entertaining than baking videos, so I hope you guys like these types of videos. But today we're going to have my dog Daisy decorate my cupcake, and you're probably wondering, how does that even work? And you're gonna see that later. So the reason I wanted to do this was because I was inspired by James Charles's video where he goes to the LA Zoo and has the zoo animals pick out each step of his makeup routine, and then he puts together a makeup look based on what the animals chose. So I thought, why not have my dog Daisy do that with a cupcake. Daisy loves to be in the center of attention. She's a little long-haired chihuahua and she's got a huge personality, so she's perfect to be on camera. She loves being the star of the show. So yeah, let me go get her right now. This is Daisy, my little long-haired chihuahua. She's my precious little baby and I love her so much. And she's a little tired because she hasn't finished her nap. But are you excited, Daisy? You excited? She's very excited. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first round, Daisy's going to choose cupcake wrapper. Daisy chose the one with the pink zebra stripes. Now Daisy's going to pick two colors for the frosting.
She picked this one.
Okay, so she chose pink.
Daisy, look.
Oh.
Come on, Papa. Pick a color, honey. She did it yesterday.
Daisy.
Hello.
Daisy. Yay! Daisy chose the yellow dye for her second color. Okay, Daisy, choose one. Choose some sprinkles, Daisy. Okay, purple. What else, Daisy? You want the purple and the yellow. Oh, Daisy wants the green. Oh, okay, Daisy liked all three of these sprinkles, so we're going to use these. Now Daisy's going to choose between M&Ms and chocolate chips, and she chose the chocolate chips. Yay, Daisy! Yeah. Final round. Oh my god. Jessie wants gummy bears and so does Daisy. They both want gummy bears. Gummy bears is the winner. It was gummy bears versus marshmallows, but they both obviously wanted the gummy bears, so gummy bears is the winner. So now it's time to make Daisy's cupcake. So I just put the yellow and pink frosting into a piping bag with an open star tip, and now I'm just going to pipe on a nice little swirl. Next, I'm putting on each of the three sprinkles. Now I'm just putting on some chocolate chips. And finally, I top the cupcake with a red gummy bear. And these are the finished cupcakes that Daisy decorated. I love all of Daisy's choices. I think the cupcakes look so pretty and so colorful. I love her frosting color choices. I think the pink and the yellow swirled together looks so fun and cheery, and I love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and Also, let me know if you want to see like a part 2 of this series, because I have another dog named Jessie, and if you want to see a part 2 where I have Jessie do basically the same thing, decorate my cupcake, and then we can compare Jessie's cupcake to Daisy's cupcake. So if you want to see that, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below suggestions for what I should bake next, or if you have any other food related video ideas, let me know in the comments. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!